Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and ensuring power. Back up to your Google account or Samsung Cloud and plug in or have over 50% battery. Once done, unlock the A04E and open settings, then go straight to General Management. You do this because a factory reset erases everything, so stopping here prevents data loss. Make sure you're signed into the Google account used for the phone to avoid FRP hiccups later. Once in General Management, choose Reset and then Factory Data Reset to see what will be removed. You review the list, accounts, apps, files, and system settings because this is irreversible. After confirming the consequences, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. If you have a PIN, pattern, or password, enter it to authorize the operation. The phone will ask you to confirm one more time. Accept, and the device will begin wiping to restore factory state. After the wipe, the A04E reboots into the Android Setup Wizard. Follow on-screen prompts to restore or set up as new. You should sign in with the Google account previously used if factory reset protection activates, because that proves ownership. If the reset fails or the phone hangs, try booting into safe mode or perform the reset again via recovery mode. Alternatively, use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC for recovery. If problems persist, contact Samsung support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.